Three, four, five.
Oh, 5. You write number 5.
I know the five.
Yes.
I know, Mama. Look.
Good job.
Good. I love you.
And the upper one, two, three, four, five. It's five again like this.
Okay. Oh, you write 5
One,
again.
two, three, four, five. Five.
Good job. Next.
The flower with this. And big
Go,
beautiful.
Huey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
8. I know the 8 with the S.
Yes. Taas. Galing. Galing niya.
Expert.
Oh, you are expert?
Like Daddy Pig.
Dati. Go.
Now the Christmas tree.
Okay.
Ma'am, bakit na tayo hindi nag-Christmas?
Nag-Christmas tayo. Wala lang tayong Christmas tree.
Ah,
Kasi tinatanggal mo yung balls eh.
boss.
Oo.
Yung
Yung bilog-bilog.
Yung,
Nilalaro mo eh.
yung,
Oh, yung account na.
yung baby ako.
Yes. Sinisira mo lang eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5.
Go. Wow.
Notice the snowman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Ups, ups, ups. Baligtad ulit. Dito, dito, dito kung nagsisimula. Dito. Yan. Yan. Then, down. Wait lang. Bibitaw ko. Wait lang. Bibitawan ko yung pencil. O, go. Yan, down. Okay. Next, the stars.
The stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this.
Daming 5.
Kasi, nag-print mo yan, yung 1 of 5. Then,
Then,
the eggplant.
okay.
I don't eating eggplant.
Why?
I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, 11. How will you write 11? Dalawang 1.
1.
Oh, you write dalawang 1. 11. Good job.
Just like the
Yeah,
age.
that is 11, okay? Next.
The presents. Diba
Oh. Bago yung present, ano yan?
it's surprise.
This one.
Oh,
Oh, hindi mo nakita?
this is the silly.
Silly.
The mahanghang.
Go.
With 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
I know the 4.
Okay. Very good. Next, the present.
The fences. Diba nagpe-fences si Santa?
Opo. Go na!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
Again. There's so many 5.
So many 5. Next, the lollipops.
The lollipop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this. Okay. The L and this.
Very good!
Here,
Yes, count them po.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5
5,
and
1, 2.
oh, if you combine them,
We will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
We will make 7.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Baligtad. Doon, doon. Sa kabila, sa kabila. Pag ganun. Yan, down. Okay. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
First, the second,
Yes.
and the down.
Galing. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala.
Wala.
Oh,
5 lang.
5 lang.
It's just like suntok.
Okay, go.
Mommy,
Go, go. Oh. What is your answer?
it's 5.
5. Oh, you read that 5. Oh.
Why pag wala?
Kaya mo na, go na. Oh, you read 5. Dito.
Oh.
Tinitignan mo kung saan ka nag-write. Oh, next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Okay, next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
Now this.
Oh, 5 and 5 makes. 5 and 5 makes.
Let me see.
Oh,
Let me see
you
lang.
forgot na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10.
10.
Where's the 1 and the 0?
Yay! Congratulations!